How to customize apps on iPhone. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open your preferred browser and download app icons. I will open Pinterest here in order to download the app icons. Search for the app icon that you want to customize and go ahead and download it. I will download YouTube icon here. Now open Shortcuts application on your device. Tap on the plus symbol. You will see the option for add action. Tap on that. You can tap on that or simply tap on open app too. Now beside open you will see app option. Tap on that and select the app icon you want to customize. I will select YouTube here and click on done. Now tap on the first open app shortcut. You will see the share option. Tap on that and then on add to home screen. Now tap on the shortcut icon there and select choose photo and add icon. Tap on the name bar and erase open app and name it to YouTube. Now if you go back to your home screen, you can see that app icon is changed. Thank you.